Hello everyone, I'm Chris, and today we're going to be covering the easiest expert deflation method. This uses One Tower, the Crossbow Master, and we're going to be doing it on Dark Castle. This isn't applicable for every map, but early maps especially, and Dark Castle for some reason it just works wonders. This requires some monkey knowledge, namely the Come On Everybody monkey knowledge, and the bonus monkey or more cash. I believe you just need Come On Everybody and bonus monkey, just to make the Crossbow Master cheaper, and the free monkey will give you the cash you need to be able to afford it right away. So, without further ado, let's just show how simple this is. Dark Castle, easy deflation. And what we're going to do, get our monkey, place him here, 2 in the middle path, 5 in the bottom path. And that's all we have to do. Easiest method of all time. Now as you can see we have 205 left in the bank. This is because I've got both the more cash upgrade and the bonus monkey upgrade. Obviously you need the bonus monkey for the more cash upgrade, but you just need the bonus monkey. And yeah, that's all you really need. You can place the monkey here, right above the exit. I find that also does work, but there are sometimes it does get close. Sometimes the children from the BFB will pop these spikes a little bit, not get through, but this way it's just so much more simple. No balloon gets anywhere close towards the exit, and the Crossbow Master just pops the BFB long before he gets anywhere. So, this is very simple. We'll just fast forward on to round 60, and we'll see you then. So here we are in round 59, we're going to get the camel leads, obviously, no problem. We're about to get the BFB coming up, and as you'll see, it just dies very, very quickly. Another thing I should probably mention is it's really nice to have your monkey towards the front here, rather than at the back, because you do finish rounds quicker. And obviously, deflation being quicker is better. So, that's it completed. And you get your reward. Why would you want to do this? Well, this is a great technique if you do have these monkey knowledges to beat most easy and intermediate maps on deflation. This is something you might want to just do because a lot of people don't like deflation as a game mode. It's something you can run in the background. This is a quick way to get through it. An expert map like this, well, initially the reward is very, very good, but also there's a decent amount of XP and monkey money associated with it. You might want some monkey money to grab a cash drop if you've run out, just to complete another map on Impossible, for example. Maybe you're just about to hit a level, you want a monkey knowledge point, so you'll just run 1 or 2 runs of this. Or you just want to run it in the background. This is also really good for getting the achievement where you need to complete 10 maps with a primary monkey only. And using heroes and things negates that. So this is a really great way to get that achievement as well, if you've just been forgetting to get it over time and been using heroes and primary only. There is a way to do this map, also very simple, 2 towers. It's not as straightforward without monkey knowledge, and I'll be covering that in another video. But I hope this was straightforward enough. I hope you learned something, and I hope this helps you just get through some deflations or maybe grind whatever you want. Play the game however you want it. Thanks for watching, and see you later.